All right, everybody, it is May 7th, just after 10 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to start this Bentley up for the first time today, get a cold start video. So it's idling a little high right now. It's normal for operation of this car. And you're going to see this come down here in a minute. And that's normal operation for these Bentleys. Just did the same on that Bentley convertible that's right next to it. I do know that this car was serviced by the owner of the dealership. This car is owned by the owner of the dealership that I'm representing the car for. I noticed when this first came up, it said that it needed service in X amount of miles, but I don't think that they reset that, whatever triggered that notice. So we'll take a look at that and make sure that that's correct. And it was recently done. Probably within the last 100 miles, because he doesn't drive, he likes to play with these cars, but he really doesn't drive them very much. Goes out to dinner and back, basically, is what he does. So that's it. That's the cold start for this 2014 Bentley.